Hi, welcome back to this channel again. So in this video I will just continuing with the previous video that I have given. In the previous video we have just seen that how I can print a particular term in the Fibonacci series. Now let's say if I have to print the complete series, if I enter 5 it should enter all these values. Then how to do that programming, let us say. So in this case the function definition remains same, that define Fibonacci series, and here the base cases, like if n is less than equal to 0 the answer will be 0, and if n is equal to 1 then it will return 1, or else it will just calculate the Fibonacci series. But in the function call part I will be doing a small change here. So what will be the change? Okay, so the input, taking the input will remain same for how many terms I need to print it. But in this case I'll take a for loop. So I'll take a for loop instead of directly calling the function. So for I in, let's say, range of x. So here what I am doing, I am taking the x input. If I write for I in range of x, that means from 0 till the value of x, it will take all the values, and I'll print, in this case I'll call the function here with the value of I, not the value of x. So I'll just print the value of I. If I run the code, if I enter 4, then it will print 4 terms for me, 0 1 1 2. So it will print 4 terms for me. If I enter, let's say, 10, then it will print all the 10 Fibonacci series for me. So how this is happening basically? So for the first time in the loop, the value of just one second. So first time in the loop, a value of Fibonacci, that will be I equals to 0. Now what is the value of I equals to 0? That means in the Fibonacci, so here n value will be equals to 0. Now if n is equals to 0, it will return the value of 0. So 0 is printed here. Now in the for loop, when it comes to the next value, so the I value becomes 1 here. If the I value is equals to 1, so here it will be 1 and it will return 1 here. So 1 is printed. Now next value of I will be equals to 2. So if that is 2 from this function, so this Fibonacci of 2 means Fibonacci of 1 plus Fibonacci of 0. So that will return 1 plus 0, that is equals to 1. So 1 will be returned here. So like this it will go on. Okay, and if I enter this is 3, then it becomes, it will give me 2. So like this all the Fibonacci series will be given, and one by one it can print all the terms that I need. So you can just go to the previous video and have a look that how it is, if Fibonacci function is being executed, or what is the concept behind that, how this works. In this video it is just to tell that how I can use a for loop, that I can print the series. Instead of printing a single value, I can print that in a series. You can store that in a list as well, then you can print the list. So anything can be done. Okay, so stay tuned, we will see things in the other video.